So I did what is this? Passion twist.
I'm a one.
So I was supposed to finish filming this yesterday, but Donovan came home and decided that he wanted to take a shit. So, you know, I'm just not gonna deny the man the shit. But I took a break from the bathroom during that time, and then I just ended up not going back in the bathroom. And here we are. I gotta get my hair stuff. A couple of things. I bought my hair on Amazon. This is actually my first time buying hair on Amazon. And like, I live in Jamaica, Queens. So, you know, like, there's like beauty supply stores all over the place. So I'm not really, like, I don't need to buy hair from Amazon. So I was very anxious about buying it. And then, you know, with the whole coronavirus thing, none of the beauty supply stores is open. So I had no choice but to order the hair on Amazon. This is my first time doing passion twists ever in my life. And I think it came out pretty good, with the exception of a couple. So for some reason, this is one of them. It's not twisting. Like, it just went, I don't know, it's not twisting together. So my hair is kind of unraveling. That one isn't too terrible. There's one in here. It's like 4 of them on this side that did that dumb shit. This one did it where I don't know. I don't really think you can really tell. So I might just leave it alone. This one is like that. And I ain't really going nowhere. So does it really matter? It's about 4 of them. There's this one too. This one is like that. I think it's still cute. I still like it. So it's just something to be mindful of. I don't even know how it happens. I wish I could be like, oh, don't do this because when you do this, that happens. I thought that maybe I put too much product in my hair. That's why it was happening. I put less product in my hair. At that portion, it still was happening. I thought maybe my sections was too big. I did some big ass sections with the other pieces and it still happened. What else? It was that. I thought maybe the hair wasn't uneven enough because, you know, you got to make it uneven to do the twist. That wasn't the problem. So I'm just like, bruh, I don't know why it's not messing with me, but it's not messing with me. And that's just what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So, like I said, I'm probably going to leave it because I ain't got nowhere to be. Ain't nobody got nowhere to be, so it doesn't really matter. No, not really. All the products I grabbed, and I'm still missing hair products. I'm pretty much almost done with my head. I used 3 packs of hair, and this came with 6. It also came with, well, it didn't come with this, that's mine, but it came with the rubber bands and it came with the shiny things. But I'm doing the rubber band-less method. I'm starting off with blow dried hair, blown out, blow dried, and I'm gonna try to get this straight down the middle. And I'm just gonna put this to the side. I like to part with my fingers first, and then once I get a good size of my finger, that's when I'll go in and actually part with the actual comb. I don't know. So now that I have like a rough part, I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I did a back workout yesterday, so now my back kind of hurts. All right, so let me show you how I prep my hair for the twist. So I use my Fro Butter. Let me do this again, in case I get a sponsorship someday. Fro Butter. With emu oil. And I'm gonna get some Fro Butter. Get like this much. Put some on my roots. And then I like to just go along the entire shaft of the hair. Ooh, want to put extra Fro Butter on your ends And the reason why I say that is because, like, I notice when I put Fro Butter on my ends, whatever tangling might happen at your ends, it kind of helps it to just glide out. And before I did this style, I trimmed my hair. I think the best time to trim your hair is before a protective style, because you won't miss the fact that you trimmed your hair as much, because it's going to be tucked away for however long that you wear the style. So if you're like me and you do your hair kind of often, and then you look at your hair, it's cut because you cut it, and it's like, damn, you know, it used to be this big, now it's this big. But it, like, you won't see it as much. Another thing too, if you do trim your ends, you're gonna have to kind of do a little bit more work to get it into the twist, so that the ends don't stick out, because they're blunt. They don't like kind of fall in line the same way. I don't know how to explain it better than that. And then, so this is my first time actually using this hair gel, and I like it. I think it leaves the hair shiny and everything, and it's not too hard of a hair gel, so I think that's pretty cool too. This is called the Curls Goddess Curls. This is supposed to be good for all curl type. It is alcohol and protein free, and I think it's interesting that it's in this kind of bottle, because it's thick. You would think that it's kind of watery or lotiony if it's in here, but it's definitely like a regular gel. Because I'm using so much to do this hairstyle, I get like a little Ziploc bag, just so I'm not putting this on the counter, and then I just do like that much gel and just have that chilling on my counter. Now that my hair is kind of prepared, I take one string, and what I do is I just like run my thumb through it. Now we got our two pieces separated. You want to cross them like so, and then you also want to make it uneven while you cross it. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna have a piece that's longer, you're gonna have a piece that's longer, and then you're gonna have the shorter pieces in the middle. Boom. Now I'm gonna sit this down on my tripod stand. I'm gonna kind of like get all the hairs together. I'm kind of prepared to be in holy matrimony right now. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to say about the hair. The hair came with crochet needle as well, which you're gonna need. And I'm gonna take some of that gel, and I'm only putting the gel on kind of just like my root, and that's it. And that's because if your hair is like mine, it will revert as soon as you put the gel on it. So I learned my lesson, and it's kind of hard. It's harder to work with when it reverts. It doesn't blend in as well with the hair. Really tight. I'm braiding maybe up to like an inch or a centimeter of hair. So boom. So my hair is gelled down, and then this is my little teeny tiny braid. I braided like this much. Then we're gonna get our hair, and I'm gonna slide this in to the braid. I'll hook this piece, close the latch, pull it through. Then you wanna grab the hair. There you go. You wanna make sure that it's still looped like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take all the hair, so the hair and your hair, and pull it through this loop. And then you wanna close it. And then when you close it, this one pull, and just make sure it's secure. And now it's time for the fun part. The fun part, it should be killing my arms and my hands and my everything, but we're about to do it. Now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna separate my hair into two. I'm gonna get those two pieces that we had earlier, and I'm just gonna kind of just start off just twisting the hair now, like maybe like 2 times, and then I'm gonna start getting the gel. And now I'm gonna start adding the gel to the hair, some more gel. And you only want to use gel really on the parts with your hair. And I think this gel does a really good job of like leaving my hair shiny. It doesn't leave my hands super sticky afterwards. And this is my first time using the gel. So I'm excited to try and use it and see how that works in my hair. So this is a problem that you might get too, where the hair kind of comes out. You just kind of want to take more gel and just put it on it and then kind of just try and like continue to twist that around. This hair is puffy, so you might not even notice it. Oh, the hair that I got is 18 inches, pretty sure it's 18 inches curled, and I am 5'5", so this gets to my lower back. Alright, and boom, now you got you a passion twist. So I'm gonna keep doing the rest of my hair. But yeah, this whole quarantine thing is kind of interesting. I was supposed to go to work today, but so I work with Amazon, and they're kind of implementing this new thing where they have more full-time workers and less of the part-time workers like me. And if you become a full-time worker, you get benefits and all that stuff, but you also are required to work 30 to 39 hours a week. And that is not what I want to do, hence why I got this job in the first place. That's kind of annoying. And I think it's because of all the protesters and stuff like that that made them change that. It's optional. I don't like working full time. I just need enough money to pay my bills and call it a day.
Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my
Same little from the get-go, bet you go for me. I don't really need that though, please come.
Okay. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, so I feel cute. I feel real cute. Mind you, I got this big ass thing in my I feel real cute though. Damn, I thought it was gonna be like just 3 packs even, but it looks like I'm gonna have to open one more pack just to get 2 of these. The only challenge that I kind of have is that I cannot see the back of my head. Really, we got a mirror, I'm gonna show you in a second, that's supposed to help with that, and it does, but I can't see holistically the back of my head. I can only see it in parts, but I don't know what the whole back of my head looks like. But I think that's still better than nothing. I don't know if you guys noticed, I have like really short hairs here, and I'm wondering if like that broke off or something like that. Like all of this is really, really short. All this hair. Like it's not, I don't think this is baby hairs. So if y'all know what this is. So this is how the hair looks when you take it out of the thing. They're all looped at the top. I haven't swung my hair around in a long time. I haven't like had to maneuver around with my neck like I used to. It's like, yeah, I don't know how to act when I get my hair done. I've been doing my hair myself, like these types of hairstyles too, since like college, cause your girl ain't had the money to go and spend $100+. Now it's not even just that. I ain't had the money and I ain't want to. Like, bruh, I feel like whenever I'd go get my hair done, they'd be all through my hair, and it's just not a pleasant experience. And then I feel like they would burn off my hair with mad steam and heat and shit, and I was just not with it. I haven't done that in a long time. I've always preferred to do my hair myself. This last one. Okay. So we're gonna
Get your shorty, Teed up, gassed up, stick go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly. Do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny. Popping off of purely penmanship. You not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been the man. Shake it, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up a Super Saiyan, Superman, saving not I.
It is done. So these are my passion twists. I'm kind of just gonna pull on them, check the ends. If you see any long pieces, just trim those. So this is how it looks in the back. Yeah, I don't even know how it looks in the back. Okay, so this is my little mirror system that I was speaking about earlier. So I'm gonna see how it looks in the back. That took 40 minutes, bruh. I did 4. It is now 4:02. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get some mousse. Part of me thinks I don't need it, but I'll just use this much. This is supposed to be max hold.
Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the they itching to see when you sitting with me.
Alright, and now my hair is pretty much done. That's how it came out. And I actually really love this. This is so cute. Okay. So thanks so much for watching, guys.